Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stock My Closet. For today's project, I'm using 3-meter rayon fabric. And this is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. Firstly, I'll cut the bodies. And for that, I've cut out the required length, that is 14 inch, including 1 inch of seam allowance from the fabric. And I've folded the fabric twice in width. So I have 4 layers of fabric. Now I'll mark the measurements. I've marked the length. Now for shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch. So half of it is 6.75 inch. Neck width is 3 inch. Mark half inch downwards for shoulder slope. And join it to the neck width point. From this point, mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch in my measurement. I'll just extend this point. Mark 1 inch inwards. And join it to the shoulder slope as well. Now from the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch, shoulder to burst point. And I've already marked a point at 14 inch, that is length of bodies and shoulder to waist point. Extend these points. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. 31 plus 2 is 33. And dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35. And dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, again I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. 28 plus 3 is 31 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 7.75 inch. Join these points. Give slight curve to this pointed shape. Adding seam allowance. Now I'll draw armhole curves. So this is a marking for bodies. Now I'll cut it. Now separate the back. Fold it again. I'll trim the front armhole curve. So this is front bodice. I'll cut the neckline while stitching. I'll cut the back neckline. Back neck width is 3 inch and neck depth is 6 inch, adding ½ inch for seam allowance. Again mark neck width 3 inch. Join these points. Now I'll draw a round shape and I'll cut it. So I have cut both front and back bodies. Now I'll cut the bottom. For bottom, I'm making tiered skirt. I'll explain it through diagram. Length of bottom part will be full length of dress minus body's length. In my measurement, full length is 46 inch and body's length is 14 inch. So 46 minus 14 is 32. And I'm adding 4 tiers. So divide 32 by 4 and I'll get 8 inch. I'll add 1.5 inch for seam allowance. So total length of each tier is 9.5 inch. So this was about length. Now width depends on how much volume or gathers you want. I've mentioned the width I've taken for each tier. You can change it accordingly. So I have cut all tiers according to the measurement I have mentioned in the diagram. This is first tier, 9.5 inch in length and 25 inch in width. This is on fold. So when I'll open it, it's 50 inch. This is second tier, again 9.5 inch in length and this is 18 inch. I have folded it twice to get it in the short. So 18 into 4 is 72. So second one is 72 inch long. This is third tier, 9.5 inch in length and again I have folded it twice. This is 23 inch. So 23 into 4 is 92 inch. For fourth tier, I'm using this printed fabric I got as a border with this fabric itself. And again I have folded it twice. 9.5 inch in length and this is 31 inch. 31 into 4 is 124 inch. So I have cut both bodies and tiers, and with this cutting is complete. I'll share its stitching in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.